Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a jelly roll quilt. Select a jelly roll and coordinating background, then organize strips by color or value, and press seams flat. Chain piece strips into tube sets using a 1/4-inch seam allowance, then subcut tubes into equal segments for block building. Keep edges square and measure frequently to ensure blocks align, and always press seams toward darker fabrics for a cleaner finish. Start by chain piecing strip sets and maintain consistent 1/4-inch seams for accurate block dimensions. Subcut your sewn tubes into segments that match the pattern layout, then assemble segments into rows, keeping seam allowances consistent and matching points carefully. Use a design wall or floor layout to preview color balance before sewing rows together. Square each row and use a walking foot for bulky seams to keep everything flat. Once your quilt top is fully assembled, layer it with batting and backing and base securely to prevent shifting during quilting. Quilt with straight lines following strip direction or pick a gentle meander to enhance texture. Use a walking foot for even feed. After quilting, trim edges square, attach double fold binding evenly, and hand or machine stitch the binding to the back for a clean, durable finish that will hold up to washing and use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.